Hey everybody, look what I found on Amazon. It's a 6x6 cardstock that I'm going to use to make some fancy hearts. The reason I picked this one is because it's got a rose pattern in here that I just love. It reminds me of a quilt my sister used to have and she lost somewhere along the way. So I thought I'd just make her some wooden hearts she could hang on her Christmas tree and remember her quilt. This rose pattern matches pretty closely to the quilt. I'm very happy with it. I tried two different ways to cut the paper, one with scissors and one with a utility knife, I think it's called, I don't know. I like the knife a little better, but either works. She loved the hearts, by the way. And here's a little peek of the quilt she used to have. That's it for today. Thanks for coming by.